Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best LCD Digital Microscope. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Pali Partners LCD Digital Microscope. 7-inch LCD digital microscope, high definition, convenient focusing, coin microscope, with camera, double fill lights, on both sides. Number 4. Tomov LCD Digital Microscope. LCD screen size, 7.0 inch. Resolution, 1080p FHD. SD card, 32 GB. Battery, 2000 mAh, 18,650 lithium battery. Larger screen, better view, 1200x magnification, 10 LED fill lights, convenient wired remote, adjustable screen and stand. Number 3. Lcd LCD Digital Microscope. Dual lenses for versatile uses, 7-inch large IPS LCD screen, adopted 11 LED light design, support connection with PC for larger and clearer visual experience, save and output images and videos, built-in 2600 mAh, rechargeable battery. The brightness of the light can be easily adjusted, and the appropriate light can be selected. Number 2. Endonstar LCD Digital Microscope. Large 7-inch LCD adjustable screen, UV filter protect the lens, metal base with 2 fill lights and clips. Adjustable, provide more operating space to you when soldering. This electronic microscope equipped with a bracket that, with 2 fill lights, useful for uneven surfaces that cast shadows. Number 1. DCORN LCD Digital Microscope. 16MP camera, bring you clearer images. The light can be adjusted by touch, which is more convenient and intelligent. The base and bracket, made of metal material, enhance the stability and durability. Support HDMI output to connect to larger displays.